Russia's commitment to safeguarding and maintaining the peace agreement between Armenia and Azerbaijan is no joke. The armed forces of the Russian Federation (VSRF) have mobilized thousands of troops and war equipment, even though their status is only as a peacekeeping force. In a report quoted by the Russian news agency TASS, Russian Air Force Mi-24 combat helicopters (VVS) entered the Nagorno-Karabakh (Artsakh) airspace to escort Russian military convoys in the region. The Russian Defense Ministry issued an official statement regarding the deployment of Mi-24 combat helicopters to provide escort for convoys starting from Erebuni Airport in Yerevan, Goris, and the capital of the Republic of Nagorno-Karabakh, Stepanakert. The pilot of the helicopter squadron has been tasked with protecting and escorting the peacekeeping force convoy en route from Erebuni Airport to Goris and the settlement of Stepanakert, said a Russian Defense Ministry statement. Meanwhile, the Russian Defense Minister, General Sergei Shoigu, confirmed that the Russian military transport planes had brought 1,103 soldiers to Nagorno-Karabakh. In addition, Shoigu also said that 168 units of combat equipment were also sent to Nagorno-Karabakh in the last 3 days. After the Armenian-Azerbaijan war broke out again on September 27, 2020, Russia finally stepped in to reconcile the two warring countries. The ceasefire agreement was reached after the Russian President, Vladimir Putin, met directly with the Prime Minister of Armenia.